देखो, या तो तुम इस वीडियो में घुसे हो ये सोच के कि ये लौंडा पिंक शॉल पहने बैठा हुआ है, हाथ में मग्गा है, एंड ये क्यों कोमल पांडे की बुराई कर रहा है? व्हाई इज ही इवन टॉकिंग अबाउट कोमल पांडे? हु द फक इज ही टू टॉक अबाउट कोमल पांडे? या फिर तुम वो लोग हो जिन्होंने ये वाली वीडियो और ये वाली वीडियो और ये पूरी प्लेलिस्ट देखी हुई है, जिनको पता है कि अबाउट द रिव्यूअर क्या होता है, तो तुम यहाँ आए हो जानने के लिए कि कोमल पांडे के बारे में मेरे क्या विचार हैं। बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स द वीडियो का टाइटल ही ये हो कि कोमल पांडे अच्छा इन्फ्लुएंस है मेरे लिए, तुम्हारे लिए, उन सब लोगों के लिए जो उन्हें फॉलो करते हैं, या फिर उन सब लोगों के लिए जो उसको फॉलो करके छोड़ चुके हैं, या फिर जो आगे उसको फॉलो करेंगे। देन इट बिकम्स रियली इंटरेस्टिंग, राइट? एंड मेरे से तुम्हारे लिए बस एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है, अपने कप शप ले आओ, स्नैक मैक ले आओ, बिकॉज वीडियो लंबा है, कॉन्टेक्स्ट बहुत सारा है, एनालिसिस बहुत ज़्यादा है, एंड कंक्लूजन में इस सवाल का जवाब है, कोमल पांडे हैज़ ह्यूज इन्फ्लुएंस। She is known for her fashion, she is known for her style me up videos, she is known for her fashion therapy videos. कोमल पांडे को देख के उसको कॉपी करके लोगों के करियर बन के खत्म हो चुके हैं, बट कोमल पांडे स्टिल रेलेवेंट, कोमल पांडे स्टिल इम्पॉर्टेंट, कोमल पांडे इतनी वैल्यूएबल है एज अ रिसोर्स, एज अ ब्रांड, एज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर कि आई मीन you clicked on this video because you want to know what I think about her, and not that my opinion matters. अगर कोमल पांडे thumbnail में नहीं होती, probably you wouldn't have clicked on this video. And I want to analyze that structure. I want to analyze that perspective. Ki, is she a bad influence or a good influence? Because one thing that has been common about Komal Pandey throughout her, not throughout, generally in the last 2 years, her digital journey is ki she's been getting a lot of hate just for the way she dresses, just for what she is, just for the brand that she has built. So here's the point behind making this video. I've been fascinated with the work Komal has been doing. I've been fascinated with the fact कि उसको इतना hate मिलता है, and उसके बाद भी she has grown her brand to such an extent कि it's unparalleled. But then why, at the risk of being called a person who only makes anti-women videos, am I making this one? Because this question has been plaguing me for a while. Every single friend of mine who has been a Komal Pandey follower, people who actually study fashion, people who know her, people who follow her, and in fact मेरे Instagram पे जो मेरी male and female audience है, उनके opinions पढ़ने के बाद I actually got really confused कि कोमल पांडे काम की influencer है या नहीं है. Is her influence good? Does she promote good positive body image issues, or is she shaming people who are not as slim as she is? Because that actually is a problem that a lot of people feel. And ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, ये लोगों के ख्याल है. बहुत बातें करके आया हूँ लोगों से इस वीडियो को बनाने से पहले, and that is the whole point of this video. This is what we're going to do. This is where we're going to analyze the structure, the influence, the personality, the hate, the future, the relatability, everything about Komal Pandey based on what I research. And your job is to sit back, relax, watch it till the end. There of course is a conclusion at this video. You can go into the timestamps and you can figure that out. But if you don't go through the entire thing now, I don't think you will be able to understand the point of this video. अगर तुमको hate करना जाके तो तुम अभी dislike करके मारो और जाओ कि वेदांत तू वेनेटर है, कोमल ये है, कोमल वो है. I honestly do not care about your opinion if you can't spend the time to watch this entire video. 2x पे करके देख लो, समझ आ जाएगा. And I'm pretty sure Komal doesn't care either about your or my opinion. And I did talk to Lakshay about this. मतलब मैंने story डाली थी, उस पर लक्ष्य ने point किया कि कोमल पांडे can't take criticism. But in her video about reacting to hate comments, she specifically asked कि उसको hate comment मत दो, criticism दो. And she asked, I quote, know the difference between being critical and throwing personal attacks. So this, madam, and fans of madam, is me being critical, me being empathetic, me being very analytical, me being myself and talking about your content and your personality and why you are or are not, we'll find out in the end of the video, a good or bad influence. Okay? But the goal with this video and the goal with every single video that I've made in this series, I know कि ये creators जिन मैं videos बनाता हूँ वो इस videos को देखते हैं, because this is criticism for them. This is not the general hate that they get or the general comments that they get. This is actually someone who has spent the time and effort to go analyze their content, go analyze their entire journey, and then make this opinion piece about them. And most of them take it in good faith. Like Sejal did address whatever I asked in her uska wala video, and she did address it, although not publicly. I would have loved it if she did. Ashish, Tanmay, Ranveer, those guys have all spoken to me about this video that I've made, so I know कि इन videos की reach है, I know ये लोगों तक पहुँचती है, I know लोग इससे अच्छे और बुरे points निकाल के काम करते हैं उन पे, and that is the only intent with this video. I don't mean to shame her, I don't mean to disgrace her, I don't mean to offend her, I don't mean to abuse her. I mean, those are the points. This is an empathetic connection that I'm making with Komal Pandey. If I'd spend the time to go through her entire 4-5 years of content journey, I feel like I have a connection with her content at least, not her personally. I don't know her personally. You don't know her personally, but at least with her content, at least with her public brand, and उसी पे हम बात करेंगे. And I mean, I did warn you, right? This is going to be a long ass video because I love talking about this stuff. 40 minutes, 30 minutes, 20 minutes. I don't know at this point कितना लंबा जाएगा ये वीडियो, but I have so many points to make. I have so many arguments to make. तो तुमसे बस इतनी सी रिक्वेस्ट, अगर अभी देख सकते हो तो देखो, नहीं तो इसको वॉच लेटर में डालो या फिर छोड़ के चले जाओ, बट आराम से टाइम निकाल के देखोगे तो मज़ा आएगा. एंड लेट्स बिगिन. Okay, Janta, people, fans and haters of Komal Pandey and me, let's set the problem statement here. This video I have divided it into, actually I've divided it into 3 segments, but वो बहुत लंबे लंबे होंगे तो उसके subsections भी हैं. First, we are going to talk about the problem statement that Komal Pandey का brand has. जिस problem statement से कोमल पांडे गुजरती है, the problem that her online brand has, उसके बारे में बात करनी पड़ेगी. And then we are going to talk about 3 very important things that define her entire existence online. Her personality, her social media presence, and नहीं एक्चुअली 2 ही हैं, मैंने 3 पॉइंट लिखे हैं, बट उसमें एक मेजर पॉइंट है कि कोमल पांडे स्टार्टेड ऑफ एज अ यूट्यूबर. पॉप एक्स के लिए वीडियो बनाया उसने, देन शी डिड हर ओन चैनल, एंड देन लास्ट ईयर शी स्विच्ड इंटायरली फ्रॉम यूट्यूब टू इंस्टाग्राम. लाइक फॉर इंस्टेंस शी मेड 5 यूट्यूब वीडियोज इन द लास्ट ईयर एंड हंड्रेड्स मोर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. हर हिस्ट्री, उसका हिस्ट्री इतना इंटेंस है ना यूट्यूब के साथ. शी ग्रू हर ब्रांड बिकॉज शी इज अ यूट्यूबर. एंड ध्यान रखना, योगी बाबा की तरह पॉइंट कर रहा हूँ मैं तुम्हें कि ये पॉइंट बाद में काम आएगा. She switched from YouTube to Instagram for a very specific reason, जिसके बारे में बात करेंगे. Okay, so we're going to focus on 3 things in this video. Like I said, first we set the problem statements, जो point के बारे में बात करने वाला हूँ. Then we're going to talk about the 3 or 2 figures of her online personality, and then I'm going to talk about something that I believe is the reason Komal Pandey is what she is today, and everything that has been leading to her online persona, whatever, which is the fantasy of her becoming a supermodel. How fulfillable that fantasy is or how realistic that is, वो वक्त बताएगा. But I think every single point that I'm going to make in this video is going to culminate in that supermodel fantasy वाला aspect, and then we're going to finally bring everything together into the conclusion कि क्या कोमल पांडे को तुम्हें और मुझे idealize करना चाहिए, and is or is she not a bad influence on her followers, on the people that watch her. इतनी सी कहानी है. Let's set down the problem statements. ओके, तो जितनी भी मैंने जनता से गुजारिश करी, जितने भी मैंने उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करे कि आप मेरे को अपनी ओपिनियंस दो, वट एवर कॉमेंट सेक्शन आई कुड गो थ्रू विद आवर वीडियोज, देयर वर दीज पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट्स दैट स्टक आउट अ लॉट एंड अलार्मिंगली अ लॉट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, the number point that stuck out was that कोमल पांडे is not relatable anymore. पहले 2016 में वो होती थी relatable, अब वो relatable नहीं है. Number 2 was she gets attacked for her content, her makeup, the fact that she loves nudity, I mean not nudity, showing skin in her own words, etc. etc. Another point was that Komal Pandey is detached from audience and her reality. She has a lack of innovation in her content, and she sets fake positivity and body image and beauty standards. So these are the points that we're going to talk about in this video. Of course, we're going to explore them from multiple aspects. तो ये चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखना, ये बहुत important है. And I want at this point for you to form your opinions. In fact, डिसाइड कर लो कि तुम्हारे कोमल पांडे के इन पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट्स के ऊपर क्या ओपिनियन है. आई मीन इफ यू आर नॉट अ कोमल पांडे फैन, देन आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, तुमको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, तुम बस आगे बढ़ सकते हो. बट इफ यू आर, देन प्लीज फॉर्म योर ओपिनियंस एट दिस पॉइंट, बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू चैलेंज देम. आई एम गोइंग टू चैलेंज वॉट एवर ओपिनियन यू हैव टुवर्ड्स हर ऑन दीज पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट्स. Okay, now that we're getting down to business, if you have made it to this point in this video, kudos to you, because my personality is now going to entirely switch. I was just waiting for people to make it past the first 10 minutes or whatever time it was, ताकि हम actual काम की बात पे आ पाए. Okay, Komal Pandey, it's a fashion influencer. She's a blogger. She's a YouTuber, and the series is called about that YouTuber. But अगर तुम notice किया होगा, even after having a million subscribers on YouTube, she is not necessarily a YouTuber. At this point, she's an Instagram model, an Instagram influencer, a fashion influencer, an Instagram blogger. And I specifically want to talk about her transition from YouTube to Instagram, because she has such a huge and rich history with YouTube. Pop Exo के साथ उसने 400 वीडियोस बनाए. A point that she drives home every single talk that she has. And I mean, I don't think she credits Pop Exo as much as she should. I'm sure they must have been bad blood when she left. But Pop Exo gave her the popularity. आजकल Pop Exo को I don't know कोई देखता नहीं देखता, मैं तो नहीं देखता. I used to watch them because Komal was funny in the videos. But the point here being that in the last year she has made 5 videos on YouTube, but she has made hundreds on Instagram. And her history is YouTube. उसका history with YouTube is intense. And this point comes back down in her personality section, तो उसको ध्यान रखना. But the transition from YouTube to Instagram is one of the primary reasons she's been so detached with her audience. Because YouTube पे जब तुम्हारा audience connect होता है ना, वो बहुत अलग होता है तुम्हारे Instagram के audience connect से. And she did receive a lot of hate for her transition from YouTube to Instagram, and rightly so यार. अगर तुम भी एक YouTuber हो and तुम्हारा Instagram पे सारा audience YouTube के through आया है, then you can't quit your main platform, right? And from her perspective, it is justifiable, जो हम discuss करेंगे Supermodel Fantasy वाले program वो part में. But the switch is one of the reasons she started getting a lot of hate, because she started focusing on Instagram, because Instagram content by definition compared to YouTube content, by making videos, if you're making a 10-minute video versus you're making a 1-minute video, I mean, consider YouTube video बनाना is difficult than making Instagram videos. And I'm not saying कि इसकी production में time लगेगा or whatever. I'm saying holding someone's attention for 10 minutes versus holding their attention for 1 minute are very different ball games. The way a person uses YouTube is very different from the way this person will use Instagram. अगर उसको 30 सेकंड में attention नहीं मिला तो वो skip कर जाएगा. But YouTube पे for a 10-minute video, 50-minute video, it's like for you guys, if you clicked into this video and if you've made it to this point, you have dedicated a lot of time into this and you're invested. उतना तुम Instagram पे नहीं करोगे. And that's as simple as it gets. It's easier for her to hold attention on Instagram than YouTube, and she realized this and she moved there. It's as simple as that. इससे ज़्यादा उसको ना hate देने की ज़रूरत है इसके लिए. I don't think she deserves the hate for moving from YouTube to Instagram. It's just a very smart business decision. And this point will come a lot in this video, that she's made some really smart business decisions. Okay, now we have to absolutely talk about the content that she makes. Starting in 2018 or 2019, I'm not sure, I don't remember the dates, but at a particular point, she started doing the series called Fashion Therapy. We have to, while we're talking about her content, we have to focus and give her credit for what it's due. She had a first mover advantage in the content world, because the kind of content that she makes, nobody else makes that content. The kind of videos that she does, nobody else made those kind of videos at the point that she was starting at. But now, not so much. A lot of people make this kind of content. A lot of people give credit to Komal Pandey for being their inspiration. But the problem is that the unique idea that she had, no longer a novelty for her. Okay, I know I have to tread along this कि वो क्या कपड़े पहनती है, वो किस तरीके से कपड़े पहनती है, उस वाले aspect पे थोड़ा carefully, because any word that I say that is out of line can be very easily misconstrued and put into this whole wave of cancelling me. So let me be very careful. The makeshift wardrobes or the makeshift outfits that Komal Pandey creates are good to look at for the duration of that 1-minute video, but in practicality, they have zero functionality. In practicality, those wardrobes or those outfits are heavily prone to malfunction, and the actual fashion people that comment on those, the people that I know, मेरे निफ्ट के दोस्त, मेरे पर्ल के दोस्त, मेरे जान पहचान वाले दोस्त जो actually fashion कर रहे हैं, this is their opinions on it. Those are not practical outfits, and those look good through your screens, but those are ramp outfits. Those are, I don't know if they're ramp outfits or not, but those are outfits that are not practical in the whole world. And for her content, there are two other arguments that are really prominent. One is her ये चीज़ों के लिए लोग कैंसिल हो जाते हैं. It's her stance on nudity. I don't have any problem with the way she dresses. I couldn't care less is the point. But there is a brief distinction. Komal Pandey का जो approach है ना towards nudity, that started off as an empowerment game. कि this is my way of expressing myself, and kudos to her for that. She's doing it pretty well. But there is a very fine line and a very fine quantitative line, not a qualitative line, but a quantitative line, where इधर empowerment है, and either it becomes sort of a way to capture attention and a way to increase your, how do I put it, business acumen. I don't want to call it business because that might be taken into wrong connotations, but a business acumen. So wherever this line is, line के एक तरफ है business, line के एक तरफ है तुम्हारा growth, line के एक तरफ है तुम्हारा attention, line के एक तरफ है तुम्हारा empowerment and self-worth, this line has been crossed a long while back. The quantitative line and the qualitative line has been crossed a long time back, and my problem with Komal Pandey's dressing sense is not the way she dresses, is not what she chooses to put or not put on her body. It's the way that there is a lack of acknowledgement, a serious lack of acknowledgement, where that sense of style is being presented as empowering as something young women and aspiring fashion influencers and aspiring fashion people can look up to, without acknowledging the fact that it is a great business decision. It is a great way to attract attention. And आज की तारीख में digital economy में attention is the biggest valuable resource. तो ये is my stance on the way she dresses. I don't care about what she dresses. Okay, of course, this nudity wale arguments, we have to talk about the beauty and body standards, because that has been a complaint, and we talked about this in the problem statement wala segment as well. Here is what I think about the beauty standards and the body image issues that she says. Komal Pandey has in the past spoken about a lot in terms of body issues, beauty issues, and she really cares about the way people perceive her. And a lot of people complain that Komal Pandey might have gotten surgery, or she doesn't look the way she used to, or she looks older, or she looks bold. My point here is that she has the freedom to do whatever the fuck she wants. So, of course, you and I are not anyone to comment on that. But the problem starts to begin when you set up this perfect persona on your online brand, and there are a million people looking up to you. And this is where body issues start. This is where positivity issues start. And you can go out and say कि यार मैं तो बहुत body positive हूँ, love yourself, do yourself. But in your videos, if you still talk about the fact that whatever fits you, if you still portray that you can wear those clothes which other people can't in that exact manner, that puts you on a pedestal in their eyes, even if you don't intend it to. Your place on that pedestal in the eyes of millions of young women or people who want to be like you, and when they try on the clothes that you do and they try to look like you, and they are not able to because you are the way you are, but they are not the way you are, they are the way they are. बहुत ही important distinction, बहुत ही छोटा सा distinction है, but समझो, that creates issues, that creates problem. And when you don't acknowledge it, when you don't talk about it, when you only talk about कि अपने आप को प्यार करो, but you fail to address the fact that the way you love yourself is going to be different from the way they love themselves, that is where these issues and these problems start. And that is where this whole relatability वाला angle जो है ना, वो detachment में बदल जाता है. And that is where her personality comes in. Because her personality has been one of the biggest reasons why she's been getting a lot of hate. Her personality is the only reason why she had to leave YouTube for Instagram, because YouTube पे तुमको personality ज़्यादा दिखानी पड़ती है, Instagram पे तुमको personality कम दिखानी पड़ती है. And if you are someone who wants to be famous for your fashion, you don't need to show your personality, and that is where the detachment begins. For instance, if you want an example of the switch in your personality, go watch the podcast that she did with Ranveer, the Beer Bicep podcast, 12-minute video, and then go watch the video which she says replying to hate comments. That is the precise moment जहाँ पे कोमल की personality switched from the girl next door to a supermodel, fantasy, living, wannabe, biggest fashion. I don't want to use the word wannabe. No, wannabe is the wrong word to use here. But जिसका aim है fashion की दुनिया में, lifestyle की दुनिया में, modeling की दुनिया में सबसे ऊपर जाना, from a relatable, likable person to that individual. This video is where her humility and her relatability and her likability turned into superficial positivity and a person who looks down upon her audience. Because this video is a masterpiece in on her own. एक तो उसकी editing बहुत गंदी है. With those flares coming in, Instagram aesthetic तुम YouTube पर लाने की कोशिश करोगे, then might work, might not work. But when you're sitting for 15 minutes watching those flares go by now, it's very irritating from an editing point of view, from an audience point of view. But that video, and compared to the podcast that I'm talking about, but the personality switch there from this to this is a full 180. I can't move my hand like this. Okay. This is where the terms like fake, she doesn't have relatable content anymore, Komal has changed, बदल गई है, उसको hate आता है, she doesn't, she's a show off, she grew up in middle class but now she's a high lifestyle fashion influencer, she doesn't do Sarojini halls anymore, she only shops from big expensive brands. That is a result of your lifestyle being upgraded for the benefit of the audience. I'm trying to defend Komal here, and I'm going to also point out the problems. The defense here is very fair. She started off as a girl next door. Okay? A lot of people do. A lot of female influencers do, because you go out, you have this new sort of independence, you have this new sort of audience, and you start off with the girl next door. But as and when your audience grows, as and when your brand grows, as and when your commitment to your work grows, as and when more people start to know you, तुम्हारा lifestyle of course change होगा, तुम of course upgrade करोगे. But there are a lot of ways to deal with it. There are two ways we can look at this problem. तुम सामने वाले उसको hate दे सकते हो, मैं उसको कह सकता हूँ कि यार तू तो बदल गई है, तेरे को पहले जैसा बन जाना चाहिए. That is not happening. Of course that is not happening. She's a different person, she's a different place in life, so that's not happening. The old Komal, whatever you loved about old Komal is gone for the good. Now there are two ways we can approach this. Number one, is that this is just who she is. ये वो है जो वो है, and is a personality. People don't like it, they attack her for it, and that would be fair because that's who she is and she's not likable. That is the reason she had to quit the platform जहाँ पे वो likable थी and go on a platform जहाँ personality इतनी matter नहीं करती है. Okay, that is one way to look at it. The next way to look at it is that is who she has been molded into by the audience. Now, important point, very crucial point. Her audience who grew her from being a middle class girl who was just making 2 videos a day for PopXOY, a relatable comedy, to a person who is now a high profile fashion name in the world of YouTube fashion, in the world of digital fashion, not real fashion probably. The point here is very important. Komal Pandey is not representative of all digital fashion, of all fashion. Komal Pandey is a representative of Komal Pandey's fashion, her style of fashion, her style of videos, which you can copy, which you can criticize, which you can analyze, which you can blame her for, which you can look down on, which you can look up to, but it is Komal Pandey's style of fashion. And Komal Pandey's style of fashion, Komal Pandey's style of personality has been made because of those 4 years, 5 years. तुम लोगों ने उसको तब support किया होगा, you might have grown up, you started disliking her, so you start saying shit at her. Maybe that's something that I am doing right now. But the point is that her personality, her positivity has begun because she's always talked about the fact कि audience को वो दो जो audience को चाहिए. जब उसकी उस audience को जो वो बना रही थी उसकी तरफ hate देखना शुरू करा on YouTube, so she switched to an audience which doesn't care about her personality, which only cares about what she's doing, how she looks like, and how peppy she can make her videos. I don't even want to get into the fact कि she's always dressed up. She, regardless of कि वो charity stream पे जा रही है या फिर वो Instagram पे live कर रही है, she doesn't show her real self anymore in all of her videos. It can be attributed to the fact कि उसको हमेशा तैयार होना पसंद है. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, it's her choice, whatever she wants to do. But for an audience that connected with her from that element, वो relatable वाला, that audience will always dislike this person that she has become. There is no way you can change that. जिन लोगों को ये पसंद है उन लोगों को ये पसंद नहीं आएगा, जिन लोगों को ये पसंद है will not bother to look back at what she is doing. This is a whole new world for her. And this is my conclusion to this entire argument about her content, about her personality, and about her transition from YouTube to Instagram. This is something that was natural for her. And people who started off with her might not like it, but the fact is that she does not care. It's as simple as that. उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. She's going to do whatever the fuck she wants. And that is how it should be. The only problem here is that she does not want to acknowledge it, does not want to talk about it, because she has stopped showing her personality. शॉल लेने का टाइम वापस आ गया because this is a deep point that's coming now. Okay, so in the last whatever 20 minutes, 25 minutes, we have talked about the fact कि कोमल पांडे के कंटेंट में क्या सही है, क्या गलत है, her development as a content creator, her personality, उस सब के बारे में हमने बात करी. मेरा पानी खत्म हो गया, so I need to get more water. I don't think I will. But all of this feeds into what I would like to classify as the most important point of this video. Komal Pandey, in my opinion, has a supermodel fantasy. She wants to be known as the best fashion brand in the world, the biggest fashion brand, at least in India. And the way she dresses, the way she designs her videos, the way she presents her videos, there is a very evident vibe that she wants to cater to an audience that believes in high fashion, high couture, high fashion, जो basically वो fashion है जो Kendall Jenner and your Gigi Bella Hadid. She wants her name amongst those names, and it is a great dream to have. It is a great dream that she's working towards, and she might or might not become successful at it. And if you want a solid sort of proof for this, the video that she has on her YouTube, the latest video as of this point, is called Normalizing Skin. That video is intended to be a video that normalizes showing skin, but it comes off across as a ad or a parody for the Kendall x Kylie campaign that she did. She even says it in the credits of that video कि वहाँ से inspired है. And then you begin to understand कि inspiration और copying में क्या फर्क होता है. तुमने ये अच्छा था, ये बुरा था. We can get into those debates. But the fact that Komal Pandey wants to live her life as a fashion influencer, as a top model, is where the problem starts to persist. Because in order to be a top model, you have to be associated with the best kind of brands. You have to be associated with the best kind of fashion. Your name has to be synonymous with a different set of quality, a different set of standards. And when you appease those metrics, you stop appeasing every other metric that make you relatable. You stop appeasing every other metric that got you to this point where you are. Komal Pandey, if she wants to believe in a supermodel fantasy, will not care about what her audience thinks of her. They'll only care. And slight backtrack. She'll not care about what her initial audience thinks of her. She'll only care about what the new potential brand people, high couture वाले लोग उसके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. And credit where is due. Komal Pandey has had a great impact on the digital fashion in India. Komal Pandey has had a huge impact on how fashion influencers behave in this country, how fashion influencers behave on Instagram, not just female influencers, male influencers as well. A lot of people copy her style of making videos, and everyone gives credit to her for that. Nobody is denying that. मैं भी deny नहीं कर सकता इस चीज़ को तो. But Komal Pandey, from this position where she is looking down upon people, where she wants to establish a lifestyle for herself that is different from everyone, that is unique to her own, shows traits of having an imposter syndrome, because she doesn't want to associate with the brand that she was. She wants to disassociate with it entirely, which is the reason she is detached from her audience, which is the reason that she has mentioned in several YouTube videos that there has been a disconnect between her audience on YouTube and her audience on Instagram, and that is because she has got this complex of superiority, a high dream, a high praise, a high personality opinion of herself, which is coming from I don't know where, which has come from the sense of being diversified enough that her peers can't even catch up to her, where people who started off looking at her don't eclipse her. That is where the sense of identity, the sense of being the best at what you do, with the sense of being the biggest brand comes from. And ये supermodel fantasy वाला जो angle है ना, this is where her transition comes across. This is where her switch in content comes across. Because if she is making haul videos, she can't be walking on a ramp by making haul videos. And I don't say that it is not possible. I'm not saying कि तुम haul video बना के वहाँ नहीं जा सकते हो. That is what Komal Pandey believes. That is what Komal Pandey has in her mind. मेरी personality में, मेरे opinion में, if you're being inauthentic to your audience, then you're already on a path to destruction. Then you're already on a path to irrelevance. But the point here is this: जो ये supermodel fantasy है, the desire to be the biggest brand name in fashion, that cannot be fulfilled on YouTube. That can only be fulfilled on Instagram, because एक मिनट में, एक पोस्ट में, एक रील में, जहाँ पे लोगों का अटेंशन स्पैन शॉर्टर है, जहाँ पे लोग तुमको तुम्हारी पर्सनालिटी को जानने की कोशिश ही नहीं करेंगे, that is where you fulfill those dreams. If you're on YouTube or on Instagram, the fundamental fact that both these platforms are very different audience, both these audiences behave differently, both these audiences and brands behave differently on these platforms. This is where Komal Pandey is fit to be on Instagram and probably not on YouTube, because her personality over there does not align with her goals. Her goals are her most important priority, and there is nothing wrong with that. That is where her personality is not relatable anymore. That is why she is not careful about what she has to say, because she doesn't have to say anything on Instagram, because she only has to be there, be fit, dress up the way she wants, bring her own style of fashion, bring her own brand of fashion, and just continue to do it. And वो फैंटेसी पूरी हो जाएगी. This is, it doesn't matter कि वो क्या कपड़े पहन रही है, वो कितने कपड़े पहन रही है, how her personality is. That fantasy of being the best top model, India's next top model, or whatever you want to call it, is going to be only fulfilled from Instagram, and her YouTube videos are not going to justify that. And this brings us to the conclusion for this video. मैंने जब ये वीडियो की स्क्रिप्ट लिख रहा था ना, I made this particular chart, and it brought me down to a conclusion. And now there are two questions. There usually was only one question जो starting में हमने पूछा था, but I've realized that there are actually two very important questions that we have to address. Question number one is, for whatever Komal Pandey has achieved, for wherever she is, should she be idealized? क्या हमें कोमल पांडे की तरफ लुक अप करना चाहिए फॉर वट एवर शी हैज अचीव्ड? शुड यंग गर्ल्स, यंग वुमेन, यंग गाइज, यंग पीपल इन द फैशन वर्ल्ड जो एस्पायर करते हैं इस दुनिया में अपने लिए एक जगह बनाना, एंड आई वुड से a firm no to this, because of course credit for what she's achieved, she had the first mover advantage, but first mover advantage तुम replicate नहीं कर सकते हो. And in my opinion, nobody should be idealized, because for a brief period Komal Pandey tried to present an image of being a very positive person, a person who only cares about work, a person who values relationship and work at the same level. That opinion might have changed, or that opinion might still be the same, but she's not showcasing it anymore, she's not broadcasting it anymore, and that is why you should not be idolizing her for her personality. That is why you should not be idolizing her for her content, because her content is very evidently very easy to replicate. A lot of people can do that. A lot of people are already doing it. So I mean, she's good at what she does. She knows where she is. She knows how she's got here, and she knows how to go aage as well. But it's not something that you should idolize from a purely perspective वो वाला कि तुमको फैशन दुनिया में कंटेंट बनाना है, and this is what you should be doing. That I would say a firm no to. And an extension to this is that no person should be idealized. You should not be having idols. तुम्हारे जीवन में ना आइडल्स नहीं होने चाहिए जिनको तुम एक पैडेस्टल पे चढ़ा के रख रहे हो, तुम उनके जैसे बनने की कोशिश करो. यू शुड हैव पीपल यू एडमायर, बिकॉज कोमल पांडे की वर्क एथिक, kudos, 100% better work ethic than anyone I've seen, and that is why she's where she is. Work ethic को admire करो. Don't admire her personality because she has a very different set personality and it might not work for you. I'm not saying कि उसकी personality बुरी है. I'm saying if you admire her, if you idolize her personality and it doesn't work for you, then you are the one who was left in the trash for trying to be like her. She's not asking you to be like her, and you are the one who are trying to be that way. She's spoken a lot about mental health, and I am no one to judge her mental health, but I'm also someone who believes in the fact that you can't be always positive on Instagram, because that, in my opinion, has a worse effect on your mental health. Because if someone sees you being positive all the time, not sharing the real version of you, not sharing your real problems, she has done it in the past and she's got a lot of flack for that, so justification for her. But if you are a person who only shares good stuff on social media, if you only talk about good things, if you only spread positivity, that actually has a worse effect on your audience than you being authentic would. So if you want to idolize Komal Pandey, I won't agree with you. There will be a huge disagreement between me and you, but feel free to do whatever floats for you. And we now have to talk about the conclusion to this video. After speaking, I mean at the time of me recording, मेरे को 45 मिनट और 38 seconds हो चुके हैं. Depending upon ये वीडियो में से कट कितना होता है, you will have an idea about where we are. But I've got a lot of points for if she is a good influence or a bad influence. Okay. तो जो क्वेश्चन है, जिसका सवाल हम इस पूरी वीडियो में ढूंढ रहे थे, जिसका जवाब एक्चुअली हम ढूंढ रहे थे, जिसका जवाब मैं तुम्हें दूंगा. कोमल पांडे इज बोथ a bad influence and a good one as well. I would call her a good influence for her business ethic, her work ethic, her dedication to her craft, her dedication to the work that she does, her dedication to the brand that she has built, her dedication to the independence that she has gained, her dedication to the fact that in the face of all the haters, she has not moved from where she is, has not given up, because it's very easy to let the hate get to you. Thick skin बनाना कहना आसान होता है, but होना बहुत मुश्किल है. But I also think that she's a bad influence in a lot of other ways. A, because she does not acknowledge the fact that she is being inauthentic to her audience, that she does not acknowledge the fact that the people who have grown up with her, rather than just saying कि यार तुम मेरे को unfollow कर दो अगर मैं तुम्हें अच्छी नहीं लग रही हूँ, that is putting yourself on this whole high ground जहाँ पे तुम लोगों को look down कर रहे हो. And she has said it in her videos. I don't want to play clips because at the risk of getting copyright striked, because ho chuka hai pehle, I don't want to be in that position. She has verbatim said that if you don't like my content, if you don't like the person that I've become, you can just unfollow and unsubscribe and I will try and win you back with good content. She has said those words, but there is that lack of authenticity because the words that she's speaking come from a place jahan pe she knows that she has changed. She knows that she has evolved. She knows the goals she had pehle from the person who was making pop pixel videos are not the goals she has right now. And she needs to acknowledge it with her audience that those goals are going to change. Maybe there are people who have grown up with her. And what is evident from the last 2 years of her journey is that she has pulled off a mask and the audience does not recognize this person that exists in front of me right now. And those people who grew up with her are attached to the person that they think that was. तो ये कह देना कि तुम बस मेरे को अनखसका करके चले जाओ is disrespecting your audience, is disrespecting the fact that those people were there for you when you were nothing. And which is why you have to be authentic, which is why you have to take the audience along with your journey, and you can't just be कि like तुम unsubscribe करके चले जाओ, I don't care at all. You have to care, you have to notice, you have to acknowledge, you have to talk, you have to understand, you have to showcase. Which is why I love when Sejal made that video even without addressing it publicly to me. But she acknowledged the fact that the points that I made were valuable, were relevant. And she gave a solid justification which made me go like, yeah, theek hai, acha kara tune. And then there is the point that a lot of young women look at her. Yeah, she's a pioneer in digital content. But young women who won't bother to look at the place that she has come from. If a 14-year-old starts following Komal Pandey on Instagram, which is a very true reality because Instagram पे तुम आ सकते हो 13 से पहले, 13 के बाद in fact. She won't care to bother with the content that she's been making for the past 6 years. She won't care to bother to look कि वो कहाँ से grow up करके आई है. She'll only look at the person that she is right now. And those are very impressionable young minds. And I'm not talking just about girls, boys as well. These are very impressionable young minds who don't have the attention span to look at your personality. And because you're not showing any personality right now, because you're not focusing on your personality, you're only focusing on the fashion aspect of your content, they don't know what to believe, they don't know what to focus on, they don't know what to do. And in that case, Komal Pandey might very well turn out to be the worst influence for these people who want to be like her. And if she is not telling them the reality of it all, if they are not bothering to look at the reality, if they're not bothering to figure out कि सच क्या है और झूठ क्या है और जो दिख रहा है वो सच है या नहीं है, who this person is, they don't have a reference point. If everyone wants to be Komal Pandey, but no one knows how Komal Pandey became what she is, or what goes on in her mind, or what is the content that she's making. And that is why I like to say she is a bad influence, and she needs to acknowledge at least, and not just in one video, एक वीडियो में कैप्शन डाल के या फिर इंस्टाग्राम पे एक वीडियो में लिख के या फिर एक स्टोरी डाल के. That's not how it works. That's not how it works. That is definitely not how it works. You have to, I don't know, I mean, she can completely ignore this advice, and chances are that she will, but there has to be a bigger change. My whole belief, and the change that I can predict right now is coming to the social media space, is that if you're not authentic with your audience, if you're not presenting जो तुम really हो, then you are bound to vanish, then you are at a huge risk of just disappearing. And I don't know if Komal Pandey can sustain it. Komal Pandey might probably sustain it. She's already in a position जहाँ पे वो कर जाएगी sustain. But everyone who wants to be like her, you won't be able to sustain. And उसके बाद, इसीलिए इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब, when I ask you this question, is Komal Pandey a bad influence? This is where I say yes, she is a bad influence, because she might be able to survive through everything you throw at her. The people who are watching her, the people who are getting inspired by her, the people who are looking up to her might not be. And the fact of the matter is that she doesn't care about you. She doesn't have to care about you. It's not her moral responsibility to care about you, because her goals are very different from what they used to be. And it's your problem if you're getting influenced by her to do what you are doing. And then if you fail, you only have you to blame. And that's where I would like to end this video. Thank you so much for watching this 50 or 40 minute episode on Komal Pandey. I generally don't make these videos this long, but I don't know yaar, the amount of research that I did for this video, I did not want to leave any point out. So I hope this made sense to you. If you've made it to this point, then congratulations. Thank you so much for watching it till the end. There are other episodes in the playlist which are not as long, but hai achhe detailed research. So you might want to check those out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching it till the end. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.